This short how-to video is for anyone who's made the leap into van life with little practical experience, but a lot of DIY attitude. In one day, I had 2 bulbs go out on my Sprinter van, the high beam and the low beam. So never having changed the bulb on the van before, I read my manual. And then I went out to YouTube to see if there were any videos that could, provide a little bit of additional insight. And there were very few. So here's my experience. I hope it helps you. You can do it. Today we are replacing the high beam bulb on the Mercedes, which is number 4 in this picture. It's the lower one. And it says that the low beam calls for the H755. Well, that's the high beam. It's the high beam, number 4. I replaced the low beam recently and bought a pack of 2 bulbs, thank goodness, and they're $52 for a 2-pack. Well, I guess $47.99 plus tax. So that's what we're doing today. Let's take a look. I've already got the cover off. There's a cover that just goes right, and of course it's in the filter area here, so it's hard to get into, but the cover goes right down in there. And I already got that off, and I've got the piece out. I've pulled it out, and what I'm trying to do now is actually get the bulb off of that so I can insert my new bulb, which is sitting right there. Okay, these are tight quarters, but to loosen this bulb up, I stuck a screwdriver right underneath here and just pried up, and that seems to have loosened the bulb, and I'm going to see if I can pull it out now. Okay, I had to pry up a little bit on both sides, and I couldn't videotape that because I need 2 hands to actually do this. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put the new bulb in now. It goes this way. Seems like I should be able to just push it in. Looks like we've got that in nice and flush. Now I am just going to try to maneuver my hand down in here and put the bulb back in to the hole. Alright, we got the new bulb in there, and that is the bottom one here. So let's see if they work now. But wait, Murphy's Law. Later that day, my high beam also went out. So here's what that bulb looks like. And it's replaced in the exact same hole. It's just above the other one that we were working on originally. It's in. Now we just put the cap back on. And we are done. Both bulbs are on, and the high beam is on now too. Yay.